Today is the weekend, trying to get some stuff done here in Upcycle Garage. Haven't been filming through the week because of the rain and the long work hours, but needless to say, I had a free day and I tried filming. It's already been edited out a few times because my neighbor's little pup was requiring some sequestered time with the dog whisperer. It's the first time I've met this dog. We just came back from a quick little run around the block a couple times. Take the edge off him. He knows I'm the neighbor. We've been in and out of the yard a few times. He doesn't like smoked chicken treats, all natural. So he's kind of particular. Don't know his name. He's in a pink garb because it kind of fits him. He's delicate. And he's bored shitless over there locked up outside. So now he's not bored shitless out here with me. And he's got a wonderful little underbite. I don't know what you are, but you're cute. And you're here. And you're dirty. So let's enjoy our time this afternoon and get some filming done on this pile of Kawasaki. It's in the garbage bin because it's clean. And we're just going through. And there's like a flash mob edit there. All the units that I'd changed out, fixed, manipulated on this motorcycle. And it's extensive. Extremely extensive. Let's take a look at the list. You staying with me? Because you're crying all the time. You can't be crying. No. No. You can't be crying all the time. So you're my new captive film star. You have no choice in the matter. You are now. take two. Upcycle Garage, intro, take two. Kawasaki Ninga, currently in front of you, has had an ongoing vandalism. That's what fell into my hands, and I found one other thing the other day. Yeah, so we got the creative enough to hold it all together. That was a wonderful shot. Got it. Good solder joint. The more you practice, the better you get at it. So, beautiful. And that's it on that. We're going to get a break.